I'm going to present my paper on security challenges and solutions of IoT ecosystem. This paper has been written by me and my guide, Dr. Tanya Singh. So basically, let me give a workaround or the background of this paper.
Specific security challenge you can focus on.
Yeah.
Because security challenges are
Exactly. So let me give a background. So why I'm presenting this paper here. We are working on security issues on IoT ecosystem. So in that particular area, we are developing a framework. So in the process of developing that framework, we have recommended a threat model. Okay, so that threat model consists of 6 steps. So out of those 6 steps, I have divided those 6 steps into 2 papers. So one paper I have presented it yesterday in a different conference. So the second part or the half of the threat modeling process, I am presenting it here. So the topic consists of 3 main words: security, IoT, and ecosystem. So IoT, I think everyone is already aware of. So let me come directly on the ecosystem. So what is an ecosystem? Ecosystem is something from one end to other end. Let's say I have a IoT device which is tied on my hand. So how will it work? So it will communicate or it will collect data from here. It will send it to cloud. Some application is there which will process it, and then some analytics will happen which will do some work. So what as per my research or the work we are doing, we have segregated that IoT is a network of heterogeneous, smart and dumb devices. So then the next part is what is a security. Security is something which makes us feel secure. So when we go to any of the airport or when we entered this hotel, so what happened? They checked us from top to bottom, they checked our belongings, everything. So then only they allowed us to enter. So that's how we are going to do it in our network. So security consists of 2 parts. Protecting assets from probable vulnerabilities or threats. So what is a threat? A threat is a potential danger that is associated with the exploitation of a vulnerability. In today's world, everywhere we go from one network to another network, there are n number of vulnerabilities which coexist. Okay, so we have all the solutions available, firewalls and IDS, IPS, but still they exist. None of the solutions can give us 100% security. So what will happen to vulnerability? There is a threat agent, a hacker or some third person who is sitting anywhere in the world and causing a threat to us. So what is the target? Target is to achieve CI, that is confidentiality, integrity and availability. So there is a Russian proverb which says trust but verify. And what is security? Security is all about trust. So how we can provide security to anyone? By trusting. How we will trust? We can verify and trust.
Are you focusing on all the 3 parameters? Confidentiality, integrity
Exactly.
and authenticity?
Yes.
All 3?
Yes, all 3.
Now see, as it is, IoT devices are very small. Now if you introduce security on that, what will be the issue of portability?
Yes, exactly. I have this everything. So this is a model which we have focused. I will not discuss it here. It is just as a background which I have already discussed in other paper. Otherwise, a plagiarism issue or self-plagiarism will come. This one PPT I have included just to highlight or correlate my paper with my current paper with my last findings.
Plagiarism with respect to images as such is not there still. Plagiarism with text is only possible still.
Yeah, but this image is
maybe
full of
concept,
text.
yes.
Or the concept. So what we have done in the first step of defining our threat model, we have done assessment scope. In assessment scope, what we have done, we have identified all the assets, whether it is tangible assets or intangible assets. So we can see these in IoT components, we have IoT devices. Then the second on network layer, it is device manager which connects with IP and non-IP network. In IP network, it can be traditional OSI or TCP/IP model. Non-IP network can be our RF, Bluetooth, 6LoWPAN, anything. Then comes application layer. Application layer consists of everything: cloud, data analytics, sensor bridge. Sensor bridges which collects data from different sensors and sends it to application for further processing. The second step, what we have done is identify threat agents and possible attacks. So we have security issues on all the three layers. So on perception layer, what are the issues? Is we have an IoT device deployed anywhere in a remote area. Some person can steal it out, do reverse engineering, tamper that, and process the data or incorrect data out of it. At network layer, what can happen? Threat agent can hack our data, do some routing issues, bandwidth or incorrect data can be processed. So at this layer, the main thing is data on travel security. So data, if we talk about data, it has three parts. So data at rest, data in travel, and data while processing. So we have to embed security and all the three features of security on all the three layers. So what are the solutions we have suggested is, on perception layer, what we can do is we can make our device tamper proof. Let's say somebody wants to break that device, so it gets damaged. So he cannot do reverse engineering and take data out of it or get something out. Second is chip level security, that is we can include TPM. In TPM we can include our encryption algorithms, which is unbreakable till late. Data encryption can be done, there are n number of methodologies we can
I think you're
use.
going out of time for
Okay,
7 minutes.
sorry.
Focus on your security issues,
Yeah.
how you're managing.
Okay. So these are the three features or the security requirements which we are doing. It is confidentiality, integrity,
Which
and
algorithm you're using for confidentiality?
Pardon?
Which algorithm are you using?
See, in this paper, we are not concentrating on algorithm. The algorithm part is my next paper.
Achha, this is just a review paper.
No, it is not a review paper. What we have done, we have focused on all the challenges. We have divided it into different parts on
No,
different
that
layers.
is already done.
No,
There are many papers available
Yeah,
for
there are-
IoT which have already done all these tasks.
Yes, there are many papers, but in respect to my study, the model which we are working on, so we have segregated those based on this model. So what we have proprietary issues, hardware issues, tampering, software challenges, and network challenges. So on hardware challenges, what we have: low processing power, battery life, and limited memory. And proprietary issues, we can have one device is uninteroperable with other device, Samsung device is not working with Nokia devices, and such other issues. Software issues is embedded software and dynamic software security updates, because these devices are remotely installed with less capability, less processing power, and less battery, so we cannot do dynamic security updates, because every day new threats and vulnerabilities.
That is where you are going to increase the cost also, because your model, security is intentionally not introduced there.
Exactly. Ma'am, what we are planning is we are designing a framework which we can embed and modify as per our requirement.
So in short, it will be more than the cost will be more than currently what the market cost is going to be. Because it will add a security layer.
Ma'am, we are not, yes, we are not looking at security cost, because when we are providing security, we have to do it at any cost.
See, that is where then you have to see the product about the sellable product in the market. Ultimately, research is what? Where it has to add on to the cost also, right? If the cost is going to increase, tell me how will your security be justified?
Yes, there are two type of products. One is affordable product, and one is the product which provides security. Let's say we are talking about healthcare. Healthcare, we are not compromising on cost. Whatever the cost is, we have to provide security at any cost. That's why in most of the healthcare, so security is designed like that, or the devices are.
Which area are you currently focusing on? Which IoT devices specifically you're concentrating on?
Ma'am, right now what we have done, this study we have done on 2 networks which are already deployed. We have non-disclosure agreement with those 2 organizations. They are telecom operators. So we are doing study with those, and the devices which are deployed are.
You see, but when the research paper is being openly discussed, you need to discuss all these issues.
Yes, ma'am. The issues we are discussing, but we cannot name those operators because this is the negative or the minus points which we are highlighting of theirs. So,
because this could be considered a serious technical issue. Because already security is there. How are you planning to improve the security? or rather where security is lacking because of which you plan to improve.
Right.
And in that case, as it is, you are violating because they will never expect you publish it in a research paper.
That's why, ma'am, we are not naming those operators. This report has been co-shared with them, both of these individually, but we have, because I'm working with an organization, so that's the source of my data. Basically, these are implemented in, one is in Australia and other is in Netherlands. So what we have done in this, all the perception layer, data theft is there, device tampering, RFID issues. So the countermeasures, what we have suggested is secure physical device. So physical device can be secured by using a sensor. Let's say somebody wants to tamper that device. Device either gets damaged or sends an alert. Because yesterday I was in a conference, there we asked same question. So how will you secure your device? The solution given by those researchers, we will deploy one more camera. So what if camera is taken out? So at the end, we have to secure device itself. Either a sensor has to be deployed or a tamper-proof device has to be moved. Second is, we have already discussed, trusted platform module or TPM has to be included. Third is encryption. So encryption has to be done at all the three layers.
Which encryption algorithm you plan to use?
Ma'am, best encryption
कुछ तो
algorithm is
decide क्या होगा?
AES.
कुछ तो decide क्या होगा? AES is best.
AES right now, AES best, but it is most expensive. It requires maximum power and memory, which is not available in today's scenario IoT
And
devices.
what is the bit size you're planning to consider for AES?
Right now, those things has not been
Yeah,
decided.
but when you decided on the algorithm, you also need to decide on the.
Algorithm is also not decided. We have AES and 3DES. So 3DES has many vulnerabilities, but still
Again, AES working of AES is going to be pretty heavy. Your
Right.
IoT device is going to be very small. How do you plan
Exactly.
to do that? See,
Exactly.
these questions are still going to be
these
open
questions
questions.
are exactly these questions are still there. My next paper, which we are writing, is on encryption and algorithms only. So that research is still on the way. In these papers, we have identified all the issues on those networks which we have studied, and we have suggested
And
solutions.
AES has been cracked multiple times.
No, ma'am, I do not think AES.
Yes. There are reports.
AES. I think it is 3DES, not AES.
AES. Even RSA has been cracked. Even
RSA
ECC has been cracked.
RSA has been cracked long back, but I think AES 256-bit is yet to be cracked.
That is why higher versions have come up. Now, why have the higher versions come up?
Because in AES there are three versions. It is 128, 256, and I think it is one more, 512, 512 or something. So I think up till 256, I'm sure, because we are working there, it has not been cracked.
There are reports.
But it is not official.
It is published.
AES, because as per, I was reading an article, AES will take a minimum of 100 years with current computing power to crack.
There are reports.
Maybe I will recheck.
Fine. Conclude, because I think you've taken maximum time. Anybody left? No, na? Last.
Oh, I am almost done. Thank you.
Do consider these issues.
Yes,